Hi there, 6th graders, Mr. Kerr here, and we are getting into week 8, comparing economic systems. Now, before we get into the content for this week, a couple of reminders and just generally things you should be doing. Hopefully you're watching this on Monday morning, and those of you here in Jefferson County, there's quite a bit of snow outside. Our friends and classmates down in the Durango area probably went through this pretty heavily the last couple of weeks. I know you've gotten a lot of snow down there, but here in Jeffco we got a lot of snow this weekend. Looking out the window there, and it's coming down again. So anyways, hopefully you're watching this Monday morning. Thank you for watching the weekly video. A couple of reminders. Right now, beginning of the week, check your grade book. Go into your grades, and you're looking at what your grade is right now. You're looking for missing assignments. It goes all the way back to the beginning. So if you have any missing assignments, please make a plan for getting those done. And also look for the feedback that I've given you, so that if you have anything like it's a 1 out of 100 or something crazy like that, I told you why you got a really low grade, or maybe you just didn't turn it in correctly. Go back and fix it. I told you why, so go back and fix it. So make sure you're doing that. Here's the suggested schedule, and strongly, as always, I very much suggest that you follow this Monday through Friday so you can have the weekend off. Those of you that have missing assignments or are not passing the class at this point, strongly suggest that you work over the weekend regardless. But follow the suggested schedule as much as possible. And of course, the quiz on Monday, you should take it as a pretest. Take notes. As you take the quiz, write down what the questions are, write down what the possible answers are, and as you go through the work for the week, add to your notes so that when I open the test either late Thursday or early Friday, so you can take the quiz again for 100%. You have all the notes you need right there based on the other assignments you did. Okay, for this week, week 8, we're getting to the end of Unit 3. And remember, Unit 3 is Economic Success and Political Change in the Western Hemisphere. So we're earlier in Unit 2. Earlier in Unit 2, we were looking at types of governments. Now we've been looking at economic systems, financial literacy, things like that, and of course in the Western Hemisphere. This week, comparing economies. So we're going to go back to what we did last week in week 7 and talk about market economies, traditional economies, and command economies, and compare them. And we're specifically going to look at 3 countries. The United States, you might have heard of that country, Venezuela, command economy, and Ecuador, which is representing traditional or developing economies this week. We're going to compare them, those 3 countries. Excuse me. So you're going to be filling out a worksheet basically with information we're going to get from the CIA World Factbook. We've used that before. We're going to use it again to get information on the economic of these 3 countries and compare them. And then we also have a discussion board called The Earth is Full, and go through that information there. With the comparative economic system, you're going to fill out this chart of information on the 3 countries, turn that in here, and then do the discussion board. Remember with the discussion board, I'll open it up here for you. Discussion board, you'll be watching this video by this guy, Paul Gilding, and your post, you're going to answer these 3 questions. So answer all 3 of the questions in a full paragraph, a full at least 5-sentence paragraph. And see here, post is worth 30 points. Full 5-sentence paragraph. 3 pieces of evidence. Evidence can be specific facts that Mr. Gilding talks about, can be a quote, direct quote from his. It can be data that he presents. And also, it's not just this TED Talk video that he's presenting, but we also have You can get the transcript here, I think it is. And then there's a little bit about the speaker, and then there is a review over this TED Talk by the New York Times, an article that you can read. So you have all of those in order to get all your writing as a paragraph, but it's got to be a full paragraph, 5 sentences, and then 2 replies, at least 3 sentences each. Include at least 2 pieces of evidence. So agree or disagree with your classmate, 2 pieces of evidence. Again, specific facts, quotes, or data that are presented either in the article or the video. Okay? And so that is that assignment. And then, of course, the comparative economic systems. It's a Dropbox, and you'll put the completed chart in here. If you have any questions, let me know. I will open the quiz again either late Thursday or early Friday, maybe even early Thursday, depending on how many people get stuff done. Go in and check your grade book. Make sure you're all up to date on everything you need. All right. And of course, if you have any questions, always start here in the Start Here folder. All sorts of questions can be answers, and answers can be questioned, and things like that. All right. Thanks. See you later.